This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode on YouTube. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I'm logged into YouTube. To enable dark mode on YouTube, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right side to where you see your profile icon. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Appearance Device Theme. Appearance Device Theme. Click on that. And then right up here, mine is set to Use Device Theme, and it gives you the option of Dark Theme or Light Theme. I'm going to click on Dark Theme. And now YouTube has been changed to the dark theme. That is how to enable dark theme on YouTube using a PC. Thanks for watching.